Hey, what's up, guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here the latest super maneuver armored walker, or this Mao, and this is your CAT-04. So this is the pussy version of Gundam Heavy Arms. Pussy version, yes. And in terms of pussiness, this is not just your regular pussy. This is a badass pussy because of this so many firepower in it, so many weaponries like Gatling gun, rifle with chainsaw on it, and this arsenal of missiles and bazooka. So actually the bazooka, I put it on the back. This four missile launchers. This launches four missiles, and we'll tackle this thing one by one later. So this version of this Mao is firepower. It has so many firepower. This is the gunner of among the four. So they are for as of this recording, they are four Smaus, and I got the first one, but the second and third I didn't get it. So I got the first one. This is the ninja, or the melee combatant. Actually, this is the agile. I think this is the agile version. It can use stealth modes, and yep, it has katanas, shurikens, and kunais like that. So it's the stealth fighter. And we got the sniper, the yellow one, and the third one, the red one. It's the melee combatant. It has the axe and hammer. And for me, this is the best, the gunner. It has so many firepowers in it. Okay, in terms of height, it's about 16 centimeters. And yep, they are on same height. Okay, so let's compare it with the other gunner firepower model kits. We got here the heavy arms from Supernova. So yep, the heavy arms, and this is the pussy version. And we got the Kynar. This is the full metal Kynar, so they are the gunners. And we got here the gunner from Zoid. This is the yep, I forgot the name of this Zoid. Yep, so it has so many fire-powers in it. Okay, and also from the Gundam Mobile Suit Gundam, we got the gun tank there. So these are the firepower team, ready to blast your asses. So let's review the kit segmentally. So we got here the full body of the SMO, or the SMAO CAT-04. So let's remove first this Gatling gun here. Okay. So this is a light kit. Actually, even though you can see that it has so many armaments on it, the kit is very light. It's not that heavy, which is very nice. And the plastic feels of this kit is very cool. It's a bit in par with the Bandai kit, compared with the first one that I have, which is a bit POM type of plastic. It's a bit hard, but this one is a bit light, and also a bit brittle. So be careful on assembling these small parts, especially this one. These are all has the brittleness in them. But in terms of the joint parts here, these gray plastics here, these are all sturdy. These are all hard plastics. ABS with the feature of APOM plastic, which is very nice. Yep. So I like the color pattern on this kit. It's all light gray plastic for the armor parts, the blue for this boxy parts here on the torso and the crotch and the face. I like the face guard actually. It has the vibes of the Gundam Maxter and also the football player. It has this one. Yeah, it's a bit badass looking, and also blue parts on this ankle guards like that. And for the hatches on this missile doors here, you have the option on using clear plastics, but I much like to use these opaque one, which is better. Okay, and the yellow, this one yellow accents here on these pipes and for these earrings here, it's very nice also. And the pipes here behind the tie look so perfect. So it has the silver colored parts here also. These are all metallic sprayed plastic. So we got here for the pistons, for the screw there on the connector, missile connector, and also the spike here for the, I don't know this, I think for when this kit will kick ass or kick opponents, this spikes here is present. Aside from the claw, okay, the claw is they're all shining silver. There's this spike here on the heel, very deadly. This kit's very deadly. It's menacing. Okay, the tail here is all on ball joints. These are all separated piece, which is very nice. And yep, I like this. I really like this compared with the wire and the wire with this coated or coatings and the spike here. This is much more better. Yep, this is very nice. Yep. Yes, it's all the ball joint, separated ball joint. Okay. Okay, let's go with the articulation. The head is it can rotate from side to side, but not 360 degrees because of the structures on it. Okay, the shoulders or the arms can rotate 360 degrees, but be careful on this parts here on side skirt. Yep. Cannot do the full 360, but it has the possibility to rotate. Okay, and there are metallic parts. The biceps here are all metallic parts. So what I did is I replaced the hand also with this metallic gray colored Dalian decal hands. This is the articulated Dalian decal. It has articulated fingers, which suits the kit well. Yep. And underneath the shoulder armor, we got grenades. So it has this grenade. You can remove it and have the kit hold it and do some pose that it's like throwing the grenade like that. Okay, and the torso is on ball joint. So this is the most stressed part here, the torso. So be careful when you play with this. I might put some reinforcement on that ball joint so the torso will not keep on moving like that, because the more it moves, the more it thins the structure on that. So we need to reinforce that one. Okay, so the torso can do some movement like this, and it can do some waist rotation like that. Okay, and the legs can kick up to this far, and kick back after that 4. Yep. And the knees, it's not that the humanoid knees, but it's the cat style of legs like that. It has a movement, can move like that, and there's this movement on the paws here. Yep. And the nails or the claw can revert into the short form just by twisting it like that or rotating like that. Okay, so this is the long form, this is the short form, and for the attack mode, if it gets threatened, just like the cat, it will release all its claw like that. Okay, and the ankle guards here, these are all can move like that also. Yep. Can move like that. And this is a metallic gray in color, so it fits the Dalin hand, metallic gray colored hand. Okay, so for the missiles, the missile hatches, they are all the same mechanism. Yep, you can open like this, also like this, and can open like that. Just be careful with the ears there. Okay, the ears. Yep, it can open like that. All the hatches has been opened, just like the heavy arms, the Gundam heavy arms. Yep, there it is. It can open. Also here on the thigh, it can open to reveal more missiles. There, more firepower for this kit. So Trovo Barton has now an enemy in the personality of the pilot Rota. By the way, the head can also open. There's a cockpit there, not cock but a cockpit, but it's very difficult to open if I need to use the tweezer to open it. But actually it's very hard to open, and if you open it, you can see the pilot Rota, the sexy girl. Okay, so let's go with the armaments. So the armaments here, we got this gun with the chainsaw. It's very nice. I really like this kind of gimmick. So the gun can do retraction for the chainsaw like that, so you can retract and extend like that. And there, this will be the melee weapon, like that. And for the Gatling gun, the Gatling gun is I think this is just the additional bonus for this kit. And the Gatling gun has the nice feature on it. When you rotate it, you can see the barrels can extend and retract like that. Very nice. It's very cool gimmick. So if you have the skill to put some motor inside and do some rotation, I think you can do so, because there's space in it. There's ample space if you want to put some motor in there and do some Gatling rotation like that. I think you may do so. And for the handles, I put all the handles here just because I'm afraid to lose those, so I just put all these handles inside on the Gatling gun. And you have the option on combining this, but unfortunately that's the bad side. I lost the connectors just to connect these two guns and make it just like the heavy arms, the Gundam heavy arms double machine gun. And you can have the kit hold it on the left hand like that, but unfortunately I lost it, so I will not do so. Good thing you can connect this Gatling gun here on the peg, these pegs here on the arms, and this This is the peg for the Gatling gun. And for the last weapon of this kit, we got this rocket launcher, missile launcher. So this is very cool, honestly. This is the coolest weapon that this kit have. So you need to retract this handle here and retract this scope here. So it has a scope, very nice. And this is the missiles. Yeah, it's like the grenade from the camphor. Yeah, it's like the grenade from the camphor and Gyaradoga of the Gundam lines. Very nice, like that, and then it will launch it second. So the color separation of this kit is very nice. It doesn't use any stickers, only the decals, right transfer, or I know it's not right transfer, but water slide decals. But even though it doesn't have any decals and stickers, it's very cool. It's very cool looking. And this one is really cool. It got the silver frames here, and you can see the mechanisms inside there. Very cool. I really like this missile launchers here. And so this is your CAT-04 from XIAOT, or the Super Maneuver Armored Walker CAT-04 XIAOT from Iron Roars. I think this is a manga or anime from China. Aside from the Kainar, this is the Iron Roars. Okay, so see you next time, and goodbye. Skimmerman from Skimmerman Gunpla Studio. Masalamat sa inyong lahat.